Zibalelwa ekhulwini namashumi amahlanu izisebenzi zesibhedlela iDoctor George Mukhari Academic ezitshelwe ukuthi izinkontileka zazo zizonqanyulwa. Bahlanganisa abathwali iziguli, abahlanza isibhedlela, omabhalane kanye nabapheki.
When we came here, nobody wanted to go nearer to COVID boxes, to COVID wards. We risked our lives. We went to the wards. We collected COVID.
Abanye abaphathi basanda kumiswa emsebenzini ngemuva kokutholakala ukuthi baqasha abangani babo.
Who are going to work when they were just chasing us away? They want to give our post to their relatives. No, we can't.
Umnyango wezempilo eGauteng uthi ubuhlose ukuzigcina zonke izisebenzi.
MEC did emphasize that the department had requested the Provincial Budget Committee to retain the current COVID-19 compensation of employees budget, which was at about 1.1 billion in the 2022-2023 financial year. However, due to budgetary constraints, the budget was allocated at 600 million, which of course has got an implication in our ability to retain many of the posts.
Izisebenzi zifunga ziyagomela ukuthi zizowuqinisa lo mbhikisho wazo uma zishaywa indiva kulokho ezikufunayo.